Connecting a new device to Western Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure smooth setup. Step 1. Download the app. Visit your device's App Store and search for the Western Union app. Download and install it on your device. Step 2. Create an account. Open the app and select the option to create a new account. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. Step 3. Verify your identity. Follow the prompts to verify your identity. This may involve providing personal information or uploading identification documents. Step 4. Link your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Start using the service. With your device connected and payment method linked, you can now start using Western Union services. Explore the app to send money, pay bills, or check transaction history. By following these steps, you can easily connect your new device to Western Union and begin using its services.